Imagine having all your projects, tasks, and deadlines in one single system. No chaos, no clutter. And that's exactly what Notion can do for you. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set that up with our project manager Notion template. So let's see that. This is the project manager homepage. And from here, let's go to the dashboard. And this is where you can add tasks, new tasks, and add projects. Okay. Let's first of all let's add the project. Okay, and then link that to the task. I open and tap that button. Okay. After that, in here, you should add a title of the project. Okay. Let's give it a random title like launch personal portfolio website. This is our project. I'm gonna show you just an example. So launching personal portfolio website, that's the project. And after that, here you can add the descriptions and link that area which is a personal project. So let me get to link that to area. So area that link to project. Then here you can add task. And when we add task from this view, it automatically go to the inbox view. Okay, let's add that some task here. So first task should be choosing domain name and hosting. First, okay, that. After that, let's add the second task, which is design homepage of the homepage layout. That too. Here we have two tasks now. After that, let's can add link another page button, plus button here, and let's create new. Okay. So just like that, let's add some more like two more tasks. Okay, just like that, we added about five tasks. Okay, we added one, two, three, four, five tasks. After that, let's add a timeline, which is from, let's imagine that this certain project start from a date which is August 3. Okay, and ended in 25. Ultimately, it's at 25, but let's add it at 27. Okay, that's cool. Okay, we added the timeline, then let's set the priority to high priority, and the task is, let's just get that not started. And you can also add attachment of the project here. It's a file based project or image, anything. And after that, there is that's it actually. And here you can see the percentage. Whenever you complete certain task, when you complete this task, it will progress bar will increase. Okay, until it is 100%. Okay, that's it. That's how it works. And we have had some tasks here and showing up in the inbox view. Okay, now our next gem is adding a date. And when you add a date, it goes to these six views. Okay, when you add a date, it's this project. When you add a date to like today view, it go to the today. Let's open this, and due date should be like tomorrow. And then let's choose this. I'm just randomly giving a due date. Okay, not giving, it's an example of course. Okay, and just open this, and after due date should be like this. Okay, done. We have moved all the inbox tasks to our date views. When you open the date view, you can see that you have two tasks finishing today, and then we go tomorrow. You can see certain tasks, your tomorrow task, and then weekly next week view, and you can see all the tasks which is have next week and next month. And you can also add done section where you can see when you add this as done, you can see that right here. Okay, and also when you scroll down, you can see the project high priority view. This in section you can see the high priority viewed project, which is helps to identify the project you need to be focused. Okay, and here you have two views, which is table view and gallery view. And you can see the progress like 20% because we are completed one task. Okay, let's add completed one more task. Like, let's see how that work. Two, you can see 40% completed, and there is 60% to go. Wow. And when we go back to the home page, now let's see the project hub. And here you can see these all things are written in toggle view, which is really make everything easy because for the mobile users, which is really helpful. This feature is really helpful, so I added in. So that's why I'm showing this in toggle view. When you open this, you can see the in status based view. You can see the not started, in progress, on hold, and done projects. Also show you the percentage. And when we scroll down here, you can see the priority views. In calendar view, you can see the tasks that in calendar view, and also in high priority tasks, medium priority tasks, low priority tasks. We didn't add any priority, that's why that's all are empty. There is a toggle view of all that too. And when we tell that, and here you can see the timeline of the project. Here you can see the timeline which is showing that the project is started on 3 and it's gonna end in 27. Yeah, that's a timeline. That's how timeline work. And this is the life page where you can see the personal work related projects. Here you have related one project showing in one project, and work related which is personal project, and work related project we have zero because we didn't add any projects. But when you add the area to a work project, it will show up in here. And here after completing a certain project you can just uh, mark that as archive. Okay, when we mark that as archive, basically go away from every page except one page which is archive page, where you can see we have archived the project, so we'll show the project that archive. And that's how it works. And this is how you can use this project manager Notion template to make things easier with Notion. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and see you in the next workflow and awesome tips.